Dear friends, I am extremely happy to announce the 24th edition of the Bengaluru Tech Summit. So last year we had an excellent participation, though in the midst of the COVID. It was a very successful event. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated the event, and we had all other dignitaries and head of the state of two different countries, the Prime Minister of the Australia and the Vice President of the Swiss Federation. Again, we are requesting our Honorable Prime Minister to inaugurate this show, and as well as the global leaders and the head of the different countries to be part of the Bengaluru Tech Summit. Since Bengaluru has emerged as a IT service capital for the entire world, even during the very challenging time of the COVID-19, all the services were provided 24/7 into 365 days from Bengaluru, and Bengaluru was driving all the services across the world, and it has emerged as a global headquarters for all the multinational companies across the world. For all these good reasons, Bengaluru Tech Summit central theme has been named as Driving the Next, and this event is going to attract the participation from various countries, various multinational companies, Indian corporate companies, IT, startups, biotech, and many other participants are going to participate and make a big difference in this event. We are going to display the emerging technologies or the disruptive technologies being developed, and more so forging of the partnership with the various countries and the Global Innovation Alliance. Global Innovation Alliance is an initiative of the government of Karnataka. In this Global Innovation Alliance, more than 30 countries are participating with their large delegation, technologies, policymakers, startups, R&D, academia, all of them will be part of the delegation. And more so, in Bengaluru Tech Summit, they'll be part of the conference, exhibition, conducting session. They'll be collaborating with many of our Center of Excellence, institution, academia. So for all this good reason, Bengaluru will grow from strength to strength, and thereby inviting the global leaders and global players to be part of the event. BTS has been a very long-standing event. This is the 24th edition, probably largest event in the entire Asia. The highlights of events are the multi-track conference on IT, deep tech, biotech, startups, Global Innovation Alliance, Indian Innovation Alliance, US-India Tech Conclave, and exhibition. So in this direction, in this event, we are expecting more than 30 countries to participate, and we'll be having more than 75 sessions, 300 speakers, and more than 20,000 business attendees, and 300 exhibitors, and more than 500,000 viewers on the social media. Dear friends, this is the biggest event and most prestigious and pride of Karnataka. I call upon all of you to be part of the program, participate, connect, watch the event, and learn more. Give me your suggestions. And Bengaluru Tech Summit, time to come, should grow from strength to strength and become a bigger event. So with all this good reason, Bengaluru is our pride. Bengaluru Tech Summit is our future. So through this, we need to grow from strength to strength. Let us celebrate BTS.